Welcome, I'm Tim Nobles. I'm the owner of the Fireplace Pool Spa and Solar. We're gonna take you on a tour of our new location. We have wood, gas, direct vent, vent-free, and electric fireplaces. We can convert any wood-burning fireplace to gas for you. We have fire tables to set the mood for the backyard. We even have portable propane fire tables for a great atmosphere at the campsite. All of these fireplaces are a good source of secondary heat in emergency situations. In this room, we have fireplaces that could be room dividers, a mood setter. They can even be set up as a seasonal holiday light show. We custom design and build full grill units with pizza ovens, refrigerators, side burners. We can also build your outdoor kitchen to be handicap accessible. We also carry the Komodo grill, so you will be able to smoke, grill, and cook year-round. Believe it or not, we are our own manufacturer of custom spas. We have 4 different styles of tub that we custom mold and then add the jets and massagers and custom accessories, including stereos and LED lights for relaxation. Most custom spas are delivered in 4 to 6 weeks, which is unheard of in this industry at this time. Now we come to the best part of your staycation, our custom in-ground pools. We have 3 different kinds of pool: vinyl, concrete, or gunite. We can also add hot tub or any type of features, even fire or waterfall, so let your imagination run wild. How about we save you money and get rid of your energy bill? Our solar systems offset your electric bill and you own your own electricity and never pay high bills again. As you can see at the Fireplace Pool Spa and Solar, you don't have to drive hours for a great selection. Come on in, let our team of experts take care of you.